Fun though. Huh? It looks quite fun. We made it to Byron and we're at the Byron Bay lighthouse. Sunrise breakfast on Palos Beach. Nice.
Nice beach.
It is. So right now we are having a barbecue. We're at the main beach and it's really windy, like there's not even a beach, the tide is so high. I haven't been vlogging a lot, but a lot has been happening. Last night we stayed at a free campsite, or it was more like a rest area, because all of the campsites now over Christmas and in Byron are like $80 for a night, and we normally pay like max $40 for a night. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and that's why we're using this free barbecue right now to cook some lunch. We also got a speeding fine this morning, so that was fun. Live it cheap.
Last 24 hours, we almost ran out of fuel. That was really close. I thought we were going to break down before we got to Byron. Yeah, then this morning we got, how much was it?
$480.
400. More than that. 490 something for a speeding fine.
Not good, not good. I was going to vlog when we almost ran out of fuel, because we were driving to this like really rural town just to go to this roadhouse called like Moo Moo something, and then we got there and there was a guy who was like, nah, like it's closed. So we had to drive like, and the fuel light was on, so we just made it to a Caltex, like a 15-minute drive away from that. Tip, bring a jerry can. We're making these things that we got, it was like discounted, Plantitude chicken-free crumb tenders. So these are made with soy, some mushrooms, some onion, some tomato. We just rented some soft boards, tried doing some surfing on, we're on Water Goes Beach now. We went on the past earlier and that went alright. You were my little surf instructor helping me, so that was fun.
It's the other side of like the storm, we reckon, so like the waves are just so strong. What did we just do?
Good morning everyone, we just woke up. It is 7:08 Saturday on the 19th of December, so we sadly only have 2 days left in the van. We've tried to extend, but it was going to be super expensive just because it's over Christmas. We stayed in this rest area last night again, about 20 minutes outside of Byron. It's actually really good. It's raining right now, but there are a lot of other camps that have done the same. And there's toilets and there's like a little van that sells coffee and breakfast, so that's nice. Now we're gonna head off to a beach, I think. It's just because we don't want to stay here too long and get more fines, because it does say that you're not actually supposed to camp here, but we looked online and people said that normally it was fine to camp here. So we just parked up by this beach. I can't actually remember what it's called, but we're about to have breakfast here, our classic. This is what the van looks like. I haven't really done a proper van tour, but this is the fan that we use. We've got lots of towels hanging around, but They have got like a table that you can fold out under here, but we haven't done it one single time. Just been like sitting outside eating breakfast or like sitting in the bed. But yeah, we parked up here and now we're gonna have breakfast. Our classic banana, wheat bix and chia seeds. Here it is. And yesterday we went to Woolworths and I found this that I want to try. It's just an iced coffee brand that I've never tried. It's Hunt and Brew. Yeah, it's really sad that tomorrow's our last day. I can't believe it. Up here we have our favourite fairy lights. I think we got them from Kmart. Nimbin. Oh wow. Yeah, it all looks really hippie. We just went to find some toilets and we found a little pool area in like a caravan park that we just had a little swim in because it was really hot, like the sun was super strong. But yeah, now we're gonna go and explore the town, look in a few little shops, so that should be fun. It's a nice little pool.
It's pretty good timing actually. The sun's just gone in, so that means we're not gonna die of heat.
A little bit of shopping. In Nimbin, yeah, that's a nice hammock. We went to this little cafe called Dutch & Co. Got a halloumi salad, looks amazing, and we're looking at workaway positions, so that's fun. Sunset time! We did a little bit of walking around the shops in Nimbin that were really cute, and I found this top. It's just like a tie top, you tie it at the back. $20, super cute.
No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see.
Good morning everyone, it is the next day. We were super tired yesterday, so we didn't actually end up going out for any drinks. We just went to the rest stop again and chilled there. We lit our incense, it smelled amazing. And yeah, it's our last day in Byron Bay today because it is the 20th and we need to hand back the camper tomorrow, sadly. But they have a massive market going on here in Byron, so we're just gonna have a look at that. It looks pretty sick. We just went to one of the beaches and had a breakfast barbecue with some eggs and it was really nice. So yeah, that's what's going on.
Cheers. See you later.
Ice cream. We got Rocha and honeycomb something.
I reckon they're looking at you or me.
Both. We are in Coolangatta just to stop by on the beach.
Oh, and then look at the bridge, it's all green and red for Christmas.
Oh, driving home for Christmas. It's the last day and we're just cooking up what we have left. A little barbecue. We're in Scarborough, which is like north of Brisbane. Just packed up our van. We have so much stuff and it's so sweaty. We have an hour until we need to leave it back and we need to drop a bunch of stuff off at our hostel first, aka all of this.
Well, yeah, I forgot about dropping off the hostel stuff.
Yeah, well, this is how it looks when it's clean-ish. Bed, sheets, pillows. These are our pillows. This is our incense. We should probably take that out. Oh, we're gonna miss this van so much.
So this was the front. We spent a lot of hours driving and didn't keep it that tidy, but it's tidy now. This is where we did no cooking at all, to be honest, and no cleaning. We mostly used the camp kitchens, all the stuff under here, and this is where we slept. We never really transformed it into a table, but that was it. Becca's clothes were up there and mine were up there, and that was us. And that's it, we're giving it back now.
Just went for a little dip by the lagoon. Now we're gonna look for somewhere to go have lunch. We found a little Christmas market. Super cute. We're at Nando's. It's Christmas Eve in the morning and we're just watching some Christmas films. We just watched Arthur Christmas. It's a really good Christmas film, and now we're gonna watch Claus, which I've seen before.
Actually Klaus.
Klaus with a K. It's like a Scandinavian themed Christmas film, I think. And I've watched an episode of Suella's Vlogmas, which I always used to do, so that made me feel really super festive. And you did.
And I watched it too. And it was festive, yep. I didn't think we'd actually do a Christmas movie day today, but I'm feeling it. Even though we're in Australia, it's like we know that the rest of the world is probably doing a very similar thing right now. It makes me feel actually good about watching some Christmas films in bed.
Yeah, it's super cozy. We've got a hot coffee there, we've got lots of chocolate. We're probably gonna go out on town and buy some Christmassy drinks soon. We've gone out to get some hot chocolate, but instead we chose a fondue platter thing. It looks so Christmassy in here. We've got melted chocolate, banana, strawberries, banana bread and marshmallows. No, you can have that one.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas! It's the 25th. We've just been lying in bed all morning watching Christmas films, and now we're about to head to a park and have a little Christmas barbecue with a few of our friends. We went out last night though, so we're kind of feeling a little bit hungover.
A little bit.
This is my Christmas outfit. Did not buy anything for this. This was everything I already bought with me to Australia. The only thing I got were these Christmas earrings the other day when I went shopping with Emma. They're from Lovisa, they're little reindeer, super cute. I also bought this from Cotton On when I went shopping the other day because I needed a new one. So that was really nice.
Just sorting out the plans for our Christmas dinner.
Woo! To go home. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Crisis! Just took the scooter to see the first sunset in Brisbane. Super pretty, and we've just been to the library today, applying for lots and lots of jobs and correcting our CVs. So yeah. Hello everyone. I don't know if I have showed you, we have been in our new hostel now for just over a week. We spent Christmas here. I did vlog a little bit of Christmas. We had a little barbecue with a few friends, so that was really nice. We did choose a 4-bedroom, but they put us in a 6-bedroom, and in exchange for that, because they couldn't give us any money back, they said that they'd actually close the room off for us. So we've got this room all to ourselves with like ensuite toilet and shower, which is actually great, and we got it for super cheap in the middle of Brisbane. This is our messy little place, if I haven't already shown you, but I actually made it really cozy, put up fairy light and that. I'm about to post a video actually. I just wanted to give a little update because the plan as of now is to stay in Brisbane for a little while and earn some money. So basically all me and Tommy have been doing these days is like job hunting. I was at an interview at a French restaurant today. They did say I could go for a trial shift today, but the pay was just too low. It was too far out of town, so I decided against it, just because I did have a call booked today with this dog walking company. And working with animals, as you guys probably know, I'm a huge animal lover. I'm really excited for that, and on the side of that I actually set up an account on this pet sitting site. This is not sponsored. I don't know which countries they do this in, but it's a website called Mad Paws. Ever since I moved to Australia, I've been thinking like it would be amazing to have like a little side job with walking people's dogs. So I signed up, put my price like really low, and I did the police check. I did like an online training course which was for free, only took about 20 minutes, and now I have free bookings actually, which is really cool. So I'm doing that on this side kind of thing. I'm meeting one of the ladies who I'm gonna look after her 2 cats for like 3 nights and 4 days. I'm gonna stay at her place, so that should be cool. I'm meeting her tomorrow at a cafe to decide, so I've been really excited about that. Like I've even bought a little book where I'm taking my makeup off right now. I'm getting ready for the gym as well. So I even bought a little booklet the other day to like write the times and my schedule in. Yeah, this is the little book that I bought for my pet sitting. Look how cute. That's what I'm working on at the moment. There are also a few retail jobs that I'm interested in, but most of them are like, they have their Christmas staff because it's just the 29th. So I'm gonna have to wait to hear from those, I think. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little update. Tommy's also job searching. And yeah, hopefully we both find jobs in the new year.